What's up guys, it's Capono here. So today's video is obviously fitness related. I'm going to do a video about food this time. To be more specific, a meal replacement. This is a thing I've been using for about a year now actually, and I actually found about one from a friend of mine, and so I thought everyone would love to know what it is. It's very handy to be quick. That's what I love about it, because I'm always busy and everything like that. You can't carry around chicken and things like that. So this is a good source of like a whole meal just to take on the go. I'm gonna take you through the steps of how to make it real quick. It's pretty simple. Yeah, you guys are gonna enjoy it. Some people think it looks nasty whenever I make it, but it's not as nasty, and it's pretty good. We're gonna step by step. You guys are gonna enjoy this. Definitely throw it into one of your diets right now. I'm using it with my diet program that I just started just recently. I'm about a week into it. Super excited, can't wait for the results to start happening. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I make it with my program right now, okay? Alright guys, here is everything that you're gonna need basically to make your special meal replacement shake that I have. So obviously you need some kind of blender. I got this fancy ninja blah 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 professional. It's freaking awesome, that's what it is. You do need some water, and first step is about 5 ounces of water, so I'm gonna go through that right now. Bam! I know it says 11, but the actual cup itself weighs 6 ounces. So I'm right on the dot. Alright guys, next step. Freaking the oatmeal. Oh yeah, you can tell I'm using it. It's a 10-pound box, dude. Sorry, is it 10 pounds? Huh. Yeah it is. 10 pounds! Hold on, you can't see it. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. So each bag's, I guess, 5 pounds. So what I do in my meal with my program right now, I'm using about 40 grams. Alright, so let's pour in 40 grams of this. See if I can do one here. Almost got it on the dot, but it pours too fast. Alright, next thing, protein. Alright, so this protein right here is freaking good. It's just plain chocolate, but it has, let's see, 180 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 9 carbs, and 30 grams of protein, and obviously that's just the standard macros. One serving is about 43 grams, so we're gonna go put one in. It's actually like my favorite protein to use for this shake. It's 44 now. Oh, extra protein is the egg whites. Then this, whenever I tell people that this thing has egg whites in, they're like, how do you drink eggs, blah blah blah. Well, there's a process that they do with these cartons of egg whites so that you're able to drink it and you won't get any like bacteria and whatnot. So perfectly safe. And we're gonna throw in a couple ounces of that right now. Boom! 4.25 ounces. Alright, so normally I do about 6 ounces, but I kind of empty right now, and this is like my last carton. And we're gonna blend this thing up right now. And there you have it. My on-the-go meal replacement shake. I know this video is pretty quick, but you're definitely gonna love this shake, and the macros from it are freaking awesome. I'm gonna post exactly what the macros are, the total macros of everything in this shake, and it's freaking phenomenal basically. So I already had one for today, so this is gonna be one for tomorrow. I'm throwing in the fridge. Definitely for tomorrow around 12 or so. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely a good idea that I had, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. So definitely throw it into your program. You guys are going to really enjoy it. Doesn't matter what kind of program you have, you can fix it into any type of program. So enjoy this shake. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Make sure you guys like the video if you do enjoy it, and make sure you subscribe and share my videos, guys. Help me get out there, help me grow, you know.